Welcome to the Shill It tutorial video. Alright, let's begin. You can access the Aquaswap page by clicking the link in the header section or the banner section right below it. You can also click on any bubble to view the full information for that project so you can DYOR. Once you're on the chart page, you'll see the Shill It button in the top right corner. You can also search for any token on-chain by selecting the blockchain and searching by contract address or token ticker. Once you have clicked on the Shill It button, next choose the template you want to use for shilling and hit Post. This will open your Twitter account and prepare the post for you, so all you have to do is click Post it. Feel free to edit the text and make it your own, but never change the links we've added. And that's it. Have fun shilling!